Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've been noticing more hair on your brush and less on your head, you're not alone. Hair loss is a widespread concern, but the good news is that there are some simple and effective home remedies you can try. In today's video, we'll explore 10 natural ways to prevent hair loss and promote strong, healthy hair. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful content. Let's get started. 1. Healthy diet for healthy hair. They say you are what you eat, and your hair is no exception. A well-balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals like iron and zinc can work wonders for your hair health. Include foods like eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and lean meats to nourish your hair follicles from within. 2. Scalp massage with essential oils. A relaxing scalp massage not only feels great but can also stimulate blood circulation to your hair follicles. Try using essential oils like lavender, rosemary, or peppermint, diluted with a carrier oil, for an invigorating massage. This can help promote hair growth and reduce hair loss over time. 3. Aloe vera's soothing touch. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, and it can also promote hair health. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp to reduce inflammation and balance the pH level of your scalp, creating a favorable environment for hair growth. 4. The magic of onion juice. I know it sounds a bit pungent, but onion juice has been shown to improve hair regrowth and reduce hair fall. Extract onion juice, apply it to your scalp, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. The sulfur in onions can help boost collagen production and strengthen your hair. 5. Fenugreek seeds for strength. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which can strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight, blend them into a paste, apply it to your scalp, and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it off. 6. The benefits of green tea. Green tea isn't just a refreshing drink, it's also loaded with antioxidants that can support hair growth. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and apply it to your scalp as a rinse. This can help reduce hair loss and add shine to your locks. 7. Coconut oil's nourishing properties. Coconut oil is a superstar when it comes to hair care. Its medium-chain fatty acids penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and strengthening the hair. Gently massage warm coconut oil onto your scalp and hair, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then shampoo as usual. 8. Say yes to Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a fantastic remedy for hair loss. You can consume amla internally or apply amla oil to your scalp. It can help maintain the health of your hair follicles and promote hair growth. 9. Egg mask for protein boost. Eggs are packed with protein, which is essential for hair growth. Create an egg mask by mixing eggs with a bit of olive oil, applying it to your scalp and hair, and leaving it on for about 20 minutes. This mask can help nourish your hair and prevent breakage. 10. Stress management for healthy hair. Last but not least, don't underestimate the impact of stress on your hair health. High stress levels can contribute to hair loss. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like yoga, meditation, or regular exercise into your routine to promote overall well-being, which will reflect in the health of your hair. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 simple and effective home remedies to prevent hair loss and promote healthier, stronger hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these remedies. Try incorporating a few into your routine and observe the positive changes over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be facing hair loss concerns. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and as always, thank you for watching.